Hey guys, Frank from the Frankie Duty channel. Thanks for watching. Thought I'd bring you a fast video today on guy ropes, how they work, what they are, and how to use them. Guy rope is essentially just a tensioner string that you use for tying down some kind of tent, shelter, or tarp, kind of like what I have behind me. So this is our guy rope, everybody. So there's a few things about this that I want to show you. At the center of the guy rope is the most important part. It's the black piece of plastic that has 3 holes in it, and this is called the tensioner. It's important to pay attention to exactly what string end you're looking at. There's always going to be a free end that goes nowhere. This is what you're going to tie off to the tent or the tarp that you're tying off to. Then it comes back into the tensioner, right via here, goes back down through the bottom of it, and then you have a longer end typically with a loop that comes up to a knot. This part right here is what you're going to attach to the stake. Then you can run the tensioner itself up and down the line to add more slack down through here and actually tighten up the line to keep everything secure with whatever it is you're trying to fasten. So let's see this thing in action. Okay guys, so I got my tie off point on the corner of my tarp. I'm going to go through and take the guy rope. We have 2 ends, remember? We have the end that goes around the stake with the loop. We use this for the stake. We're going to take our free end. We're going to do a simple hitch to tie off to the corner of this tarp. So to make a simple hitch, all you do is go ahead and make a little loop at the end of this free end. We're just going to put it right through the tie out point right here. Then I'm going to pull everything through. Trying to do this on camera here. Alright. Here we go, perfect. So we got a nice simple hitch here, very easy. Then what I'm going to do is walk back and I'm going to set up the stake. So we'll go ahead and back up. We want to get this corner nice and tight. Okay, so you guys can see I'm trying to keep it low to the ground. I'm trying to pull nice and firm. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a stake. You guys can see. Keep this low to the ground. And I'm going to pull it, put this tent stake nice and deep in the ground, real low to the ground. Just like that. Then what we do is we're going to take our tensioner, which is right here, and I'm going to tighten it up. So to tighten this tensioner up, you guys can see it right here. All you're going to do is pull the top above the actual tensioner and just slide this thing right up. Just like so. As we continue to apply tensioner onto the tarp. You guys can see, gets that tarp nice and tight. Alright everybody, so that's it for tonight's video. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, check out my new Instagram page I just made for the Frankie Duty channel. The link to the Instagram page is in the description, along with in the About Me tab on my YouTube channel here. So feel free to check it out. I post a lot more on there, I think, than I will make videos. I try to post on there like every other day. I'm trying to do videos once a week, twice a week if possible. So as always, thanks for watching you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.